I just wanted to give you a very short demo of the form generation in Typerepo, which is going to be published in the next Typerepo version. I'm very excited about it. So basically the function on the backend is indexed and forms can be generated based on backend functions. So if you, for example, say you want to collect some names in your form, all you need to do is add the parameter to the function. And let's say you want to have an image of or like some image, okay? You can do it like this, and maybe you want something else, like whatever, just a text field, information, string, and maybe you want a long text. Then you can just hit save, and within a couple of seconds you will see the result on your front end. So as you can see here, the information became a text field, the image became an image field where you can select an image, the names array became an array field where you can input multiple values, and the description, well, that one is not working currently, but you get the idea.